services provided by the Nebraska Educational Telecommunication Commission, serving southwest and west central Nebraska. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 612, effective until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Arthur County in west central Nebraska, Keith County in southwestern Nebraska, northwestern Lincoln County in southwestern Nebraska, western McPherson County in west central Nebraska, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 2:31 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Arthur to 13 miles north of Keystone to near Kingsley Dam, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ogallala, Paxton, Sarban, Keystone, Roscoe, Kingsley Dam, Lena, San Pudding Lake, Flats, Big Lemonin Flats, Nevins, Broganville, Calora, Big Bald Hill, Bucktail Lake, Sand Beach Lake, 3 Mile Lake, Diamond Bar Lake, Bucktail, and Snake Lake. This includes the following highways: Highway 61 between mile markers 80 and 109. Highway 92 between mile markers 134 and 138, and between mile markers 166 and 191. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 122 and 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Nebraska: Arthur,